Hello guys, in this video we will see how to add a revision history table in your Sphinx PDF documentation. This video is targeted only for PDF files, so it may not work for HTML. For this video we will create a CSV file and we will add our revision history there. Let's begin. In your docs folder, create a new file, revision.csv. Here you can add your entries, revision, date, author, and comments. Let's make an entry. Put in author name and the comment. So we have created our CSV file. Now we have to create another file called revision.rst. In this file we need to make a CSV table entry. Type double dot CSV table double colon. Then we can specify the number of header rows we have. Then the file name. And we can also specify width for every column. Let's put 20, 30, 50 and 70 for the 4 columns. Once you are done with this, you can go back to your index.rst file. And before modules, you can import your revision file, save it. Now you can go to your terminal and type make latex PDF. So the PDF has been generated. So in the PDF, you can see below contents, your revision history page has been added. Now one thing you might have noticed that we have not provided any title for this file. The reason behind that is when you provide a title, that page is considered as a chapter. So if you go back to your revision.rst file and if you give any title to this, let's type revision history as a title. We save it and run make latest PDF again. Now if you see your PDF file, the revision history page is now chapter 1. And the further content is starting from chapter 2. So if you're fine with this, then you can add a title there. But normally it is better that your main content should start from chapter 1. So just remove the title and make your PDF. This way your main content will start from chapter 1 and your revision history will not have any title.